back on. Now see in here there's a little hole to let the steam out, and what I've done is I found a little screw that just fits in there, keep the steam in. I want them to steam and fry. Broil, is that the term? I don't know. There, so they look pretty nice. I'm listening to the tennis. There's a young American girl, hopefully just about to beat Serena Williams. It's 1 set to the young girl, and it's getting close to the end of the second set. So I'm going to listen to the tennis a bit more, and then in a little while we'll come back and have another look at the trotters. So there they are. They've been in there for an hour and a half. The tennis is on. Pads are on at the moment though. There we go. Look at that, nice and crispy. Still moist, you see. You've got to keep them moist. They can dry out. And lots of crunchy little bits here in the bottom of the pan, you can see that. It's quite exciting, the tennis. Well, I think we'll give those another 5 minutes or so. And take them out and suck the meat off the bones.
So a real look at the second serve of Serena Williams. She serves a double fault, and the greatest, arguably the greatest player, has proven she's human. Beaten by Madison Brengle, one of the upsets of all time here at the ASB Classic. 3 sets, 2 hours and 13 minutes. Brengle defeats the top seed Serena Williams. 6-4, 6-7, 6-4. David Murphy.
Well, that was exciting. The young girl won. Good on her. Beat one of the Williams. The other Williams went out injured. Isn't it great to see someone fight and fight and fight and fight and win? It's really inspiring. I think she did it. Madison, her name is. Oh, great.
A little bit unhappy that obviously that she hasn't gone further into the tournament, but here's Steve McGyver.
Yum. That looks pretty good. Yeah, well done. And we'll take them out of there, put them onto a plate. Going to have it with some beetroot and a bit of avocado and some pita bread I got out of the skip. So that's how you cook pig's trotters. I've tried cooking them other ways, chopping them up and frying them. The best way to cook tough pieces of meat is slowly with steam, covered for a long time. One day I'll get a smoker. That's a good idea. Buy myself a smoker. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm pleased the young girl I was supporting won. That's great. Sorry for Williams, but hey, it's the way the cookie crumbles. These are delicious. Look at that. Well done. This pulls apart. And you suck the meat off the bone. Poor old piggy. But that's yummy. And the skin is crunchy. All that gelatine's meant to be good for your fingernails and your hair, although I'm losing mine. Well, thank you, Piggy, and thank you, Johan's Fry Pan. It was a very nice meal for 70 cents or 75 cents. And people are trying to budget. Well, if you buy that takeaway food shit, it's going to cost you far more than this. But I guess there's reasons for it. Oh boy, that is so sticky. Sorry for the sucking noises, but that is delicious, just the way it should be. Yum.